present the Scrantastic Spectacular. In a moment when the show begins, you're going to hear a countdown. And please feel free to join in and count down with it. It's going to lead to a choreographed fireworks display unlike we've ever witnessed before. So be ready to count down and enjoy the night, and thank you for coming out.
Come on back. Before they're called homeboy.
Intercom family of radio stations, 98.5 KRZ, Froggy 101, WILK, and 102.3 The Mountain present the Scrantastic Spectacular. Tonight, you'll be part of an Independence Day celebration unlike any ever seen in Northeast Pennsylvania. An amazing fireworks show set to a soundtrack of music, presented live from the Lackawanna County Courthouse Square in beautiful downtown Scranton.
Hi, this is Scranton Mayor Chris Doherty, welcoming you to the largest fireworks event in northeastern Pennsylvania, the Scrantastic Spectacular. Tonight is a great evening in Scranton, and we're proud to be part of it. I'd like to thank our cooperating sponsors, Intercom Communications, First National Community Bank, and the Tom Hester Auto Group. I'd also like to thank Prudential for their sponsorship of the Philharmonic. Sit back and enjoy a great night in downtown Scranton, a real experience for your eyes and ears. The greatest fireworks show in northeastern Pennsylvania. It's Scrantastic.
Are you ready, Scranton? Prepare yourself for the Scrantastic Spectacular as we count down together.
T-minus 15 seconds. Feels good. Ignition sequence start.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
hands for you, 'cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you work. Make 'em go as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go. Well, she seemed alright by dawn's early light, though she looked a little worried and weak. She tried to pretend he wasn't drinking.